video I'm doing another makeup tutorial. I named this makeup Nude Glow makeup look. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Start from the eyes. I use NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just pull it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eye. Next, for the eyeshadow, I use Tartelette in Bloom palette. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to set the eyeshadow base. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Then after that, I'm taking this matte shade and just put it on my crease to make a definition on my eye. After that, I'm taking this matte dark reddish brown shade and just put it on my upper lash line. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the Body Shop eyeliner in the shade black and just put it on my tight line to make my lashes look fuller. Next, for the lashes, first thing that I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. Then after that, I put mascara on my upper lashes. Moving on to the face, I use glowing primer to all over my face to make my face glowy. Next, for the foundation, I use the Body Shop Moisture Foundation in the shade number 5 and just put it all over my face using buffing brush technique to buff this foundation. For the concealer, I use it as a highlighting as well, so I put it a triangle shape under my eye, on the center of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin, just blending it all out. I use it to set the concealer, not so much foundation because I want to keep the glow. Next, for the bronzer, I use Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Ticket to Bronzer to bronze my face. I kinda like shape my face, but not so much. After that, I'm taking matte bronzer to contour my face. After that, using the same matte bronzer to contour my nose. Next, for the blush, I'm using Nude blush to my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Next, for the highlighter, I use the Body Shop Puff on Radiance to highlight my face. Moving back to the eyes, I'm taking this shade again and just put it along the lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the same eyeliner to my waterline. Last step, I use mascara on my lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, I use the Balm Lip Gloss to all over my lips, and this is for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times